What's up, guys? So family just went to a little farm, looked at the miniature horses and stuff. I'll tell you, it's beautiful out here. And we're in Strasbourg, which is right by Lancaster. We're about to hit the railroad in a minute, but at the little farm stand I got some homemade root beer, Linda's homemade root beer. So we're gonna give this a little try in the car. Hang on a second, let me turn the camera around. There I am. All right, so you want to open that for me? Christina's here. I don't want to be on camera, but you gonna try it too?
I like root beer.
Ooh. I know, but just to try it anyway.
Yeah, I'll taste it.
It smells good. It's really good. You know, it's funny, it has less carbonation, and that's exactly what I remember when I was a kid. We went off the beaten path down a road to a farm. I got the big jug of it, and it's really good. But less carbonation like regular soda. So it almost seems kind of flat, but kind of a hot day, so it's hitting the spot right now. But yeah, just really enjoying Amish country. So cheers to everyone at home. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys have an awesome day. I might do little videos here and there. We'll see. But for now, just spending quality time with the family, which I haven't seen in a long time, right? It's been like 3 months since I see family, so just having a really good time. So that is pretty much it. Just wanted to try this with you guys. Like I said, just all farmlands, absolutely beautiful. That's it. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Have a good one.